dish. It's made up of beef and cow heel here at Sharidas. We have curry shrimp as well, we have curry goat, and we also have fried chicken leg and thighs as well. So even if you're still not in the mood for your simple saddle.
Hello, I am Sharidas of Sharidas Place in Arangwe. Welcome to Sharidas Place. I hope you enjoy this video showing what we have here.
What is Sharidas Place? We are a family-run Caribbean fast food restaurant that captures a multicultural taste of our diverse land, sweet Trinidad and Tobago. Here at Sharidas Place, we cater for everyone. Because of our early hours, we attract early risers, post-party queens, police officers, and many persons that just are on the hunt for food. We open every day at 3 a.m. except Tuesdays, and we open on public holidays and the weekends at 2:30 a.m. So why come to Sharidas Place? We have the widest traditional Caribbean dishes, including vegan items and gluten-free items and keto diet items. It is also, you can also say we have a vegan lovers paradise, and which is separately a meat lovers paradise. Here at Sharidas Place, we also serve not only Trinidadian traditional dishes, but we have items from Guyana, from Venezuela, from Jamaica, and so on. Just to list a few. Because of the time of the video, I can just list a few. We serve egg balls, we serve pepper pot, we serve empanadas, both chicken and beef, and we also serve rice and peas and jacobs. Once again, our objective at Sharidas Place is to serve all these scrumptious dishes with that homemade taste we all enjoy. Alright, so this morning we are on Arangwe's main road. We are directly opposite Arangwe's hardware with the huge yellow gates, and then in the night if you're trying to find us, we are directly opposite Suspension Kings at Sharidas Place, Sharidas Food Place here. So we want to show you all this morning what we serve at Sharidas Place. Right? So this is just part of the menu for today. Today is Sunday. It is now 4:10. We open at 2:30 on weekends and 3 a.m. during the week. So this is just part of the breakfast menu here this morning. Items that have already finished, provided that we open since 2:30, because we try to cater for everyone. So I'm gonna show you all the items here. We have bus-up shot, aloo puri, dhalpuri. We have whole wheat sada, white sada, we have fried beef, and then this is a egg ball. It is a Guyanese national dish. Okay, so this morning we have Shabina, one of our employees. She's going to tell us of the veggies that we have today.
We have fried aloo, arroz, churn bhaji, baigan chokha, machol bhaji, tomatoes, pumpkin.
Right, so here's the pak choy. We have the pak choy here, bhaji, it has tomatoes, pumpkin. This is curry mango takari. We have karaili and okra. On this side we also have some plantain, shatain.
Noodles, chunky fish.
We have noodles here.
White rice, peas, dal. We have sabuka, sorry.
We
We
have
have avocado this morning.
Zabukao avocados.
We have curry chicken, chicken, sausage.
This is halal chicken Nisa sausage. Right, so now we have Kavita to show us the meat section. Fry eggs made by our very own Kavita. We have curry stew liver on this side as well. We have curry stew liver, sorry. We have stew beef. This is cow heel soup as well as corn soup ready. On this side we have some curry duck here as well. And we also have pepper pot, which is a Guyanese national traditional dish. It's made up of beef and cow heel here at Sharidas. We have curry shrimp as well. We have curry goat. And we also have fried chicken leg and thighs as well. So even if you're still not in the mood for your simple saddle or your dhalpuri and your fry bake, we went out and we did, you know, we have, as I said already, we have the chow mein noodles, we have the pilau and the chunky veg, and then we go across to the pies. So we have here, this is chicken lasagna, we have a beef shepherd pie, that's potato, cheese and beef, and then we have macaroni pie. We also have some items that's still coming out here that are just refilling the trays. We have egg salad, cheese and sardines as well. So, you know, it's quite a variety here at Sharidas place, and we just want you all to, you know, we look forward to seeing you all coming after seeing the variety here at Sharidas. So this is just a little sneak peek of Sharidas place once again, and we look forward to you all coming at Sharidas, right? So you're just looking for directly opposite Suspension Kings and Arangwa's Hardware. So just as many tourists land street in Trinidad and make Sharidas their #1 destination just straight from the airport, you do so too and come to Sharidas place 103 Arangwa's Main Road and make it a destination that you must visit.